Get ready, crypto fam. Bitcoin Bulletin is live with your essential crypto updates. We're diving deep into El Salvador's surprising Bitcoin pivot and India's booming crypto scene. Then, we've got the latest on Bitcoin hitting that massive $115,000 mark and what it means for your portfolio. Plus, ZBD is revolutionizing mobile gaming with Bitcoin rewards, and PayPal is making it easier than ever to send crypto. Don't miss a second of this action-packed episode. Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. Bitcoin's global tug-of-war, El Salvador's retreat, India's surge. El Salvador's bold experiment with Bitcoin as legal tender is seeing a significant reversal, while India continues its unyielding surge in cryptocurrency adoption. These contrasting paths highlight the complex global dance of digital assets. El Salvador, under President Nayib Bukele, made history on September 7, 2021, by adopting Bitcoin as legal tender, aiming for financial inclusion and reduced remittance costs. They launched the Chivo wallet and even envisioned a Bitcoin city. However, volatile price swings, widespread public skepticism, and technical issues plagued the initiative. By early 2025, the mandatory acceptance of Bitcoin was effectively dropped, influenced by IMF loan conditions, showcasing the immense pressures countries face. Despite this, El Salvador continues its daily Bitcoin purchases, holding over 6,300 BTC as a sovereign asset. Meanwhile, India has cemented its position as a global crypto leader, topping Chainalysis's index for the third year running. With over 118 million crypto owners, driven by a young, tech-savvy population, India's adoption is organic and robust, even without legal tender status. This growth persists despite a stringent 30% tax on gains and 1% TDS, which have pushed some trading offshore. The Reserve Bank of India remains cautious, citing financial stability concerns, but the sheer scale of adoption is pushing regulators towards finding a balance. Public reaction in India shows a strong desire for clearer regulations, with 93% of investors advocating for them. The contrast between El Salvador's top-down mandate and India's bottom-up demand offers a stark lesson in driving digital asset adoption. But what does this mean for Bitcoin's price as we navigate these global shifts? Next, we break down Bitcoin's surprising jitters around the $115,000 mark. Bitcoin's $115,000 crossroads, FOMC day jitters. Bitcoin is teetering around the $115,000 mark, showing signs of jitters ahead of FOMC day, with weakening metrics suggesting a potential pullback. Recent data from Glassnode reveals that while the spot market shows strong momentum, with the relative strength index entering overbought territory and futures markets exhibiting higher activity and open interest, tempered funding rates are cooling demand for longs. Options activity indicates reduced hedging and growing complacency. On-chain metrics show a slight increase in speculative short-term activity, while long-term holder structures remain stable. The market's mood has become cautious, as evidenced by the CoinMarketCap crypto fear and greed index dropping from greed to neutral in just 2 days. Despite this, U.S. spot Bitcoin ETF inflows surged to 5,900 BTC on September 10th, the largest daily inflow since mid-July, signaling renewed institutional appetite. However, fragile support levels leave the market vulnerable to consolidation unless fresh demand sustains the current momentum. Will these institutional inflows be enough to push Bitcoin higher, or are we headed for a correction? Coming up next, we explore how mobile gaming is embracing Bitcoin with ZBD's revolutionary SDK. ZBD sparks mobile gaming revolution with Bitcoin rewards. ZBD is transforming mobile gaming by integrating Bitcoin rewards via the Lightning Network, leading to massive boosts in player retention and revenue for game publishers. ZBD, a Bitcoin payments firm, has successfully embedded real money rewards into Tap Nation's popular mobile game, Idle Bank, which boasts over 12 million downloads. This integration has resulted in an astonishing 355% surge in 30-day player retention and a 124% increase in revenue per player. The company, founded by Bitcoin enthusiasts, leverages its mature development tools, including an API and SDK, to make it seamless for game developers to add Bitcoin rewards. The strategy taps into the massive global mobile gaming market, where 3 billion gamers generate $95 billion annually. ZBD's approach focuses on using Bitcoin rewards to enhance player engagement, turning advertising revenue into payouts that incentivize more playtime. This model has proven highly effective, with past successes like a modded Counter-Strike server demonstrating the power of in-game Bitcoin rewards, albeit with early challenges like exploitation that informed ZBD's robust security measures. The company has also navigated regulatory landscapes, securing approval for the first mobile game with in-app Bitcoin purchases on Apple devices. This innovation is particularly impactful following the EU ruling against Apple's App Store practices, which now allows for easier in-app microtransactions without exorbitant fees. ZBD's partnership with Tap Nation highlights the growing recognition of Bitcoin's utility beyond investment, proving its capability to drive real-world engagement and monetization in the digital entertainment space. This is a game changer for gamers and developers alike. But is your everyday crypto spending about to get a whole lot easier? Stick around to find out. PayPal links, sending Bitcoin, Ethereum, and more just got easier. PayPal is rolling out a new peer-to-peer payments program, PayPal Links, designed for messaging apps, with crypto playing a central role in its expansion. Launching initially for U.S. users sending dollars, PayPal Links will soon support payments in Bitcoin, Ethereum, PayPal's own stablecoin PYUSD, and other tokens. This initiative allows users to send various currencies directly to recipients via text, direct message, or email, creating personalized one-time payment links that are both convenient and secure. Users will be able to swap select crypto tokens directly between PayPal and Venmo accounts, or send them to other crypto and stablecoin-supporting digital wallets. A significant benefit highlighted by PayPal is that transfers of crypto between friends and family via PayPal and Venmo will be exempt from 1099-K reporting, simplifying tax implications for personal transactions. This move signifies PayPal's increasing commitment to digital assets, following earlier announcements allowing small businesses to accept over 100 cryptocurrencies and efforts to enable yield generation on PYUSD deposits. The program is set to expand beyond the United States to the United Kingdom, Italy, and other countries later this month, signaling a major step in mainstreaming crypto payments. This development is a testament to how established financial giants are integrating digital currencies into their core services, making them more accessible to a broader audience. This is huge for crypto adoption and everyday use. Stay tuned as we wrap up all today's top stories in our lightning round recap. And that's a wrap on today's Bitcoin Bulletin. El Salvador is pivoting on Bitcoin, India's crypto adoption is soaring. Bitcoin is facing resistance around $115,000. ZBD is revolutionizing mobile gaming with crypto rewards, and PayPal is making it easier to send Bitcoin and Ethereum. Don't forget to like this video. Subscribe to Bitcoin Bulletin for all your crypto news. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Leave a comment with your thoughts on today's stories and follow us on all our social media channels.